So guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete the background noise from any video that you have. So here I have a video of Luke Belmar that is pretty noisy with background noise.
We just sit in bed, scrolling. Oh, it's 11.
You can hear the engine of the boat or something in the background that's pretty irritating. So let's say we want to delete that from this video. So we will go to Captions app that we have here, and you can download it with a link in the description. I will just import the video of Luke Belmar.
Look how many.
Easy. And there is a feature which will basically delete all the background noise in a second. So that's pretty cool.
Look.
Just go here. And here you can see AI denoise. You just click on it. Wait a couple seconds. Depends how long your video is. It will take a longer time if your video is longer, but here it was pretty quick, so listen to it.
Look how many days we just sit in bed, scrolling.
No background noise. This is such a cool feature. I use it all the time. So if you want this to have, just download the app and you can create bangers and enjoy it. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I will reply to all your questions. See you in the next one. Ciao.